Hey guys, this is Mr. Lord Rex 1 again, and today I'm going to be showing how to chill or make your Coke from a bottle into a slushie. I'm really excited about this now. Right now it's 4:38. And what you're going to want to do is just put your Coke in the freezer, which is about as cold as that, for about 25 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So we're going to show you what happens when you do that. After you open it, this freezing process is going to go. We're going to show you. Now, here's the Coke. Now, we're going to show you. See that? Look at that ice. Okay, a second. And here it is. See ice. Cool. And take a sip. There is ice in there. And after you're done showing it, you're just gonna. Sorry, that was my own brother. After you're done showing it, you just open it, close it, and turn it upside down. So that's how to do it, and I'll see you guys on my next video of whatever I make.